Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channels. In today's video guys, I have a double unboxing for you and also what I got for Christmas 2021. So yes, I managed to get something when we were in the Manchester, and I'm glad my SA was there because it was weekend. It's so much people in there, and then she gave me a spot just to see her and also purchase some items. So this is there's two items in here guys. Actually my SA from Hermes is not there, so I didn't get anything like bag at all, but this one is the one I wanting again. And also I include this one's one of the gift ideas, and this is the packaging from Hermes guys. It's really cute. This one, look at that, it's so cute. Yeah, Hermes Christmas packaging in a perfume one is really nice, like the set of two in there. For some reason for this one it's not included, and at least they give you the Christmas like a card or something. It's really nice though. As you can see in a box, this is a one of the item I will probably repurchase all the time because I love this set. This is the set of 4 perfume. I mentioned this is really best to get one or give one of your friends or family or relatives. And I get another one of Kelly Clutch. This is the perfume one because it's really good. I really like that scent. Actually, all the perfume that I got from this set is really nice, but this one is one of the item that I like. Actually, this is the 3 items is new because I want to try, because some of it I still have it. And so this one is this cologne Hermes. This is the green color. I forgot what's the name of this. So yeah, this is the green color but in a bottle guys, and it's very nice packaging, simple, and this is 15 ml, and this one is set it's 100 pounds now. Before just 80 pounds, but now it's 100. And this one is the UD Toilet 24. This is for the men. I add this because I want to give this to my husband, put on his stocking fillers or stockings, Christmas stockings or stocking fillers. So yeah, it's really nice because he gets so much perfume, but this one he don't want like a full size, so we just get a small one. And the other one is this another cologne again, and it's really hard to see. The name is in the bottom, but it's really hard to see because it's very tiny. And this is in the red bottle. Oh my god, it smells good. I really like, can't wait to try that on my skin. So I'm so excited about this Chanel because look at this packaging, and she told me, okay, I want to add more extra special on your Christmas gift. So she add this ribbon, and look at this Camilla ribbon guys. Oh my god, finally I have the black one. I was hoping get that one when I was ordered one in the States, but they don't include that. But this time in here they include that. And so she gave me as well ebook. Oh my god, and she put away as well a ribbon. Look at that guys. Oh my god, I have 3 ribbon now. Let's open this. I want to keep this, all those ribbons. I've been collecting this anyway. I probably frame it. So just put this one because this is really nice. There you go. I put that one. Every time I unbox a Chanel, I always put that. It's really nice to make a clip in this. I'll probably make a DIY for this one. So here's the book. Look at that. A Chanel Dream. Look at that guys. Oh, they're all about, I think in here is, oh, there's something in here that it's like a jewelry. So you got that, pearl and stars, and yeah, they just open up like that. Okay, let's see what else in here. Oh, it's about, yeah, this is the jewelry book. So next time maybe I will ask them to get me another one of this if I buy something. So at least it's really perfect to put on your coffee table, guys. It's really nice to collect all this luxury fashion house. I'll just sit aside for now. So let's do unbox and open the main item that I purchased. And of course, guys, like I mentioned, if you follow me on Instagram, my Instagram account is Amy's underscore lifestyle 16, and you see that I post this one on my Instagram, and I mentioned about the initial. Here is the initial, guys, that I'm talking about. Boom, look at that, guys. She really add a Camilla and my initial A and AMS. I wish I just like, can you put a Y instead, because it's Amy, but it's not. They're all my my full name initial in there. But look at that, guy, it's so cute. And the Camilla chain, I don't know, I can use this one to put on my one of my bag as a bag charm. It's really cute. And she add another Camilla ribbon in here. And the packaging of the jewelry is this silver ribbon in the gold. Look at that, it's so nice as well. Holy moly, I really like this chain. Let me open this one, guys. This is perfect as well to use as a bag charm. There she is. I'm gonna put this one in. I'll show you close up with this item. I don't know if I can use this one as a bracelet, or I probably use as like a bag charm, like I said. Okay, let me do close up to you guys so you can see. Beautiful, beautiful. All the letters. I don't know if you're, I guess you can ask your SA in there to add initial like this. First time I received, she gave me this. I really appreciate every small little things for these items. I really appreciate, especially from Hermes or Chanel, everything like this. It's really appreciable. So yeah, I can't wait to put this one to my you can use actually this one as your necklace, to be honest with you. Like but this is, it's like, just use the Camilla as a necklace and use the initial like a bag charm to you. So yeah, it's so nice. I can't wait for that. So now, if you watch my Christmas wish list, you probably know what it is, guys. And this is the authenticity card, the day of the purchase, and where did you purchase, and the name, the model number as well. And they have individual number and the date of purchase, and they have a code, like a QR code over here. So she said just keep this. And look at the packaging of their jewelry. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. White color and the black around here, and all white in the bottom as well. Okay, so here is the item, guys. The Cuckoo Crush ring in a beige color. I did try the gold. I like both, but the problem is that the gold doesn't have a size 53, because during summertime my hands get swelled up, and I was planning to put right here. So this is perfect size for me to put over here. Look at that, guys. It's perfect for stocking, and also it's perfect size as well for here. A little bit loose, but I don't mind, because I would like to put this in this index anyway. And you know, I do have a Hermes uh, rings as well. So I was managed to put these two together in here. Look at that, guys. It's so cute. Let's see if you can do close up. Yes, it's perfect size on my index right here. It's like a this is a the name of the color is beige, and it's like a rose gold to me, very light rose gold. And so it's so cute. Perfect, to be honest with you. I like the X everywhere of this Cuckoo Crush ring. And I love really the sides. The side of the detail is really pretty, guys. It's so cute. There you go. That's for my ring over here. It's really nice. I can add this one over here. See, I can put everywhere. Size 53, I think is perfect for my ring. I can put that as well there if I put that one, only one itself. Let me try on my thumb if it does fit, because sometimes I do love to put something. Oh yeah, there you go, guys. I put in my thumbs, perfect. A little bit loose in the other side, but this one is quite tight. Yeah, but this one I prefer probably put this one over here because a little bit tighter. So yeah, but mostly I put this on my left index or my other ring on the left, because to stacking to my Hermes one. I wish I do have one over here, but I cannot open that until Christmas because that's one of my husband gift. So I wait for that. So for now, I just leave it in here. So I've probably, you know, that I unboxed this one, but if you haven't seen, this is one also my gift to myself. I got this one on Pre-Love Market, and so this is the Chanel reissue. I'm not sure what size of this one. I think 255. I'm not sure. And Pre-Love that I bought, it says for evening bag. So yeah, I love the reissue of this. I think I love reissue because the lack, it's beautiful. I never thought that I would like that. I thought I would more on the CC closure, but I guess I do love as well this one. I don't know what it's called, Mademoiselle lock. And also the chain, guys, it's really beautiful. And I mentioned that I got this one on a very good price because when I check on a Farfetch is really like double the price for this. And this one is like vintage. I mentioned this is a vintage. I just don't like this bubble in here, but I don't mind, guys, because this is vintage. For overall, this side is still perfect. So you see a little bit of bubbles everywhere, but like I said, this is vintage. You not expect that it's perfect condition. The inside, I put my stuff in here. So the inside, it's actually nice as well, and it comes with a authenticity card, and I check on it, and I don't think this is fake because everything's in here. And I check as well the date code and everything like that. And also the hardware of this, it's not much scratches, just like a hairline. It's very visible. I love that it's really like a gold hardware for this. So yeah, that's it for my unboxing and what I get for myself this Christmas. Thank you guys so much for all your support. If you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.